Hey y'all, this is Billy here back on the channel, and today I'm finally bringing y'all a brand new video. I know it has been a few months since I've made a new video, but I've really just been busy with some life stuff during that time. But I'm back finally here to bring you some more content. Just behind the scenes, I've been kind of just getting back in the RC a bit. I kind of fell off a little bit, really just because I've been busy, not because I haven't been like enthused about RC. But today I figured that I would go out and buy something new, and something has been catching my eye recently, and as you can tell by the thumbnail and title of this video, you can probably imagine what I'm going to be showing y'all, so let's get into it. Alright y'all, so here it is. This is the Traxxas Raptor R, of course, a part of the Pro Scale series of vehicles that Traxxas has been making. To me personally, I feel like this is the laziest of all the Pro Scale models, and I'm going to get into that whenever I actually get it out. But of course, I just wanted to show you all the box before I get into this. The actual Raptor itself, all this stuff, 60 miles an hour by Traxxas. And on the top, of course, we have all the great features of this truck. Of course, we have the extreme heavy duty drive shaft. Well, I guess we'll see how that has to work out. And then of course, the tires are supposed to be bigger than a Slash is. And yeah, of course it is also longer than a Slash, and we'll get into that whenever we actually get it out of the box. But here's the other side of it, the blue one, of course, and of course we had to get the red one, obviously. And here are the battery specs and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this thing. All right, so getting it out of the box here, I think the tape is right here. Yes, we'll go ahead and cut that open. And let's get it on out. Alright. There it is. Got the bag of stuff. And of course we have the radio, the TQI, of course. Okay, so I decided to get the Raptor just because I thought that this would be like just something really cool to buy for a new RC anyway. I did just sell an RC today, so alright, so here it is, y'all. This is the Raptor R, of course, looking pretty cool in person. I've been eyeballing these for quite a while now, and I figured that I would finally just get one. A lot of people just think that this is just a Slash 4x4 with a different body on it, which is what I thought at first, because okay, so earlier in the video I mentioned that I was gonna say why this was the laziest Pro Scale model Traxxas has ever made, but I didn't, so I'm gonna put this in now. The reason why this is the laziest one that they've ever made is because all it is an extended Slash 4x4 chassis with bigger wheels and tires, and it has the beefier like drive shafts. That's really all that's going on. But it is a good platform though, so I'll give them that. Originally, I really wanted to get a Ultimate Slash and just put this body onto it, but it really doesn't work like that. It's longer, and well, that's pretty much it. It's just longer and it has different bumpers on it, from what I understand. So the body, it looks pretty cool. It honestly looks pretty good for the Pro Scale series of, in terms of like the actual Pro Scale part of this truck. As I understand, the black parts, like the fenders, are not put on from the factory, so thanks to Mike's for doing that. Hell yeah. A little bit of sticker here. So I'm honestly kind of curious of what this thing looks like with the body off. So getting that off, I've never actually taken one off before. Okay, so here we are in the chassis. So it pretty much just looks like a Slash 4x4, but just longer. Of course, we have the warning thing on here. We're probably going to clip off these connectors at some point in the future, but for now, everything's looking pretty good. I'm probably also going to swap out this servo too, just because I know that the Traxxas ones aren't too great. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice. I know it has, from what I understand, I know it has like lights in the front and the back. So that's pretty cool. And also can accept like a tow hitch here. So yeah, looking pretty good. It has the Valenion VXL3S system in there. From what I've heard, it has like some overheating problems, but if it does, wouldn't be too opposed to putting a better system in here. But yeah, it's honestly a lot better in person than it is like just looking at it online and stuff. But yeah, it's looking really nice. I like it. I do want to get some close-up shots of the body in general, just because it looks really nice. The detail on this thing is honestly pretty cool. I really do like how the grille is like plastic, kind of just resembles the actual like Raptor. But yeah, let's get some of these shots. Alright y'all, so if you want to know where you can get this truck and where I bought this truck at, I will leave a link to their Facebook in the description, and I'll also put their address in there as well. Anyway, that's all I really have for today, y'all. Y'all have a good one.